Hi everyone, this is Dave from Diecast Toys Plus here, and I have Tommy with me.
Hi guys.
Today, and we went out and bought a few cars here, and we're gonna show you what we got. Most of these cards are all bent up on them, so we'll crack them open. So what do you say, Tommy? This will be the first one. All right, let's open it.
Yeah.
Open it.
Oh, I opened it good.
All right. All right, we got a '69 Dodge Charger, Castro on the side of there. Hood opens on there. Can you see inside? Metal base, chrome base, just regular plastic base. All right, what's the next one?
Oh, I opened it good too.
All right, we don't need this stuff. What we got here? A Mustang, another Castro Mustang.
Can it open?
No, I don't think the hood opens on that one. It's another Castro Mustang.
Ooh, look at this.
All right, the next one, open it. Open it.
Okay.
Can you get that one? This one's a muscle machine.
I'm a muscle man.
Yeah. It's got a card.
Oh, that looks awesome.
63 Plymouth.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that thing. Look at that big old motor in there, huh,
Oh my
Tommy?
gosh, yeah. Here.
No, don't do that.
I'm tougher, though.
Don't do that.
I'm tougher, though,
That's
right?
the bottom of it.
Is he tougher than them two?
He's bigger than those two. Gone mad. Yeah, he's much bigger. All right.
Go and just open the next one.
What else we got here? Be careful. Another '69 Dodge Charger. This one's got
look on the back of it.
What's
See?
on the back?
Americans.
Oh, Americans, yeah.
American donkey, American elephant.
Yeah. It's another one. Okay,
Donkey.
next.
I'm a donkey.
Donkey, yeah.
Oh, this one. Oh.
Another muscle machines.
Yeah. I'm a muscle man. Check that out. Look on the back. How I ever thought about that? I just noticed that.
There you go.
This. Wow. It just happened.
Careful.
Don't
Take the bumper
ruin
off of it. Yeah, don't ruin it. There's the bumper. It's a Nash. I guess.
And check out the card. To it. That's pretty
rear
cool.
tires are broken on
That's
this one.
sweet. This orange one is bigger. Hey,
Get the next card.
this is elephant.
Get the next
That's
card.
American elephant.
These wheels are broken in the back. Hey, be nice with them. Don't open that one. That one's in
Can
good
we
shape.
look at it?
Yeah, we're gonna look at that one, but we're not gonna open that one.
I thought we
This
were.
one here is a White Rose Collectibles 2000 New York Yankees, and it's a Tahoe.
How about this one?
This one's a nice this container. That one you can open. Yeah, open that one.
Oh, I just noticed
There's
this.
that one.
See? All types of race cars.
Yeah. All
Can I open it?
Yeah, open it.
Thanks.
And can you get it?
Yes, just have to move that. He got an 11th place, sorry.
Number
Sorry,
11,
no.
Red Cell, Ford Taurus,
Should I open this one?
and it's a Hot Wheels. Actually, it's a Hot Wheels.
How about this one? It looks pretty
No,
small.
we're not gonna open that one. That one's. Here's a small main Yepming collectible, a Ford GT. This is a 172 scale.
And check this one out. There's a mystery. What we're gonna get
There's that
for
one.
what we're gonna get for the mystery?
I don't know. Open it.
Oh, we got some type of alien car.
Some kind of alien car. A little black. What do we got here? It's a
That's
2002 Anatomy Concept.
isn't that
Some
supposed to
kind
be
of
one of
concept
the
car.
mysteries?
And what do we got here? A Nova.
A Nova. Hold on, guys.
66 Nova.
Wow.
Nice one, huh?
Wow.
And gold with black stripes on it. Nice car. What's this one here? Let me see. This one is called Extremester. Some other concept car. And there's a Firebird.
Firebird.
70 Pontiac Firebird.
You're cool, Firebird. Just telling you.
Back.
Do we even have more small bosses?
No, come on. Just open one.
It's a Camaro. It's a Camaro. Just
Camaro?
Hint. Wow, it's all red.
A red Camaro. It's a Chevy Concept Camaro. In red.
Beep, beep. I didn't say beep, beep for that one. I said beep, beep for this one.
This is an old fire truck here. This is number 5.
You got about me.
Wow, this is a nice one here.
I said that because you got about me.
Oh, another fire truck. So we got 2 fire trucks. But the red one's nicer. This yellow one is so-so.
Yeah, the red one looks better.
Motorhome.
Look at it. Check that out.
GMC Motorhome. Hot Wheels Racing.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's an old casting. It's been around since the 70s here, this one. And then we got there a Jaguar.
Yep.
Jaguar D-Type.
Yep. Jaguar.
It's got glass.
Bye,
I
guys.
think the headlights and the glass here are all one unit.
That's probably our last one. Bye. That our last one? Oh, yeah.
You didn't open that one very good, did you? Nope. Here, you want me to get it?
I think I got this.
You think you can get it?
Can I use a hammer?
No.
Hold on. I think I got it.
You think you got it? That's not gonna work that way. Here, let me see. Let me see.
I think you don't got it. How did you do that?
I don't know. I guess I'm lucky.
Check
Oh,
this
we got
out.
69 Camaro convertible.
Yep.
It's another Camaro. See the difference in there? Look at that, Tommy. His father's Camaro, son's Camaro. See? Yeah.
Hey! Look what I just found. Medicine.
Medicine. I don't know where that came from. And we got a 70 Challenger. Purple. This looks sharp in purple. This is a sharp car here. It's got the wing on the back.
And check
That's
this
a nice
one out.
one. Check this one. Oh, is that Back to the Future car?
Yeah, see?
Oh yeah, it sure is. Back to the Future DeLorean. The Time Machine.
Check that out.
Time Machine there.
Don't get about them.
This thing, I think they call this a bread box.
Oh, you guys would
Yeah,
love
it's
this.
a bread box.
You guys would love this one. It's my favorite car.
That's your favorite car?
Yes. You will love it.
Oh.
Trust me. You will love it. Don't tell them it.
Okay, I won't tell him. What is it? What is it, Tommy?
It's
What is this car?
I got. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, it's your favorite. What is it? A Charger, a Daytona Charger?
Yeah, I'm gonna
That's
get.
it.
I'm gonna get that when I grow up.
You better have a lot of money if you're gonna get this car. These are
I'm gonna
very
get
expensive.
rich. I'm gonna get rich.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be
let's
the
hope so.
richest person in town.
Yeah. All right.
I'll still be rich if I buy it. Oh,
What do we got there? A Ferrari?
oh, there we go. Beep beep. I
Yeah,
broke my leg.
Ferrari.
It broke. Sorry, it broke.
512 Ferrari.
Dad, open it. It broke. See? It broke.
It's not broken.
It broke its back.
No,
Ow,
just
my
the
back.
back opens up on the back. That's all.
Check
What do
that.
we got here? This is an
Oh my
Acura
Oh my gaddy.
NSX Concept.
It looks like a Bugatti.
Bugatti. Yeah, it looks like the Bugatti, doesn't it? But it's an Acura. This is a nice car too.
Oh, look what happened to this guy.
Oh, okay.
He got a back scratch.
Come on, you're kind of not doing a good job here. You're supposed to take it from here, yeah. There you go. There you go. That's the way to get it out there. A Mazda RX-7. Nice little sports car there. Little Mazda RX-7.
Hallelujah.
A Celine S7.
Who's recording this right now?
We are.
Oh, I thought we were the Japanese.
That's not the way you do it, Tommy. See right here? See what the matte plastic is?
Yeah.
You just pull it apart at the plastic.
Like this?
Yeah. 69 Corvette.
Look how tiny
Nice
this
one.
box
Got a
is.
yellow base.
Look how tiny it came out.
I see you didn't get that. Get that all the way off, did you?
What happened to you, boss? Look what happened to this guy.
Yeah.
He got
There's a
dead.
58 Corvette. This one the hood opens on. And when the hood opens, it's got Goodyear wheels on there.
Well, I opened.
Nice one.
Oh, I don't go out. I can't.
65 Bonneville. Nice big old car. Big boat.
What? Hallelujah. Just hallelujah. I can't hear everybody in the song. Hallelujah.
Is this a Mustang?
Oh, yeah, that looks awesome.
Mustang, 05 Ford Mustang
Those are my
GT.
second favorites.
Got a black hood on there, chrome interior, looks nice. Tinted glass. Nice one.
Hallelujah. Oh, check this out.
Yeah, Shelby Cobra. Shelby Cobra. This one the hood opens on too.
Hallelujah.
It's got gray. Got a metal base on it.
Come on, stupid car. Check this out.
This is
It's a
tail
stupid car.
dragger. It's called.
Yeah, and he's
Purple.
got stupid.
No,
Yes.
it's not. This is a nice car too.
He has stupid in it, though. Really, he has stupid in it.
And what do you got here? A Cobra.
Yeah, Cobra.
Shelby
Oh,
Cobra
gold.
Daytona.
A gold and a bruh. Who's bruh? I don't know who it is, bruh.
A Viper. 2005.
50.
2005 Dodge Viper.
2016.
And we got one more after the
That's when
Viper. One more car. And it's a 59 Chevy. 59 Chevy. Alright, that concludes
That
this video.
jet through.
Hit like if you liked it and
Look,
subscribe to my channel.
it's a jet.
What's that? No, it's a jet, yeah. Until next time, it's David DTP. Drive safe.